Where are we? Hi, dog. Hello, everyone. So right now we are here at Khorfakkan Amphitheater. Here at the back. So we just finished our lunch. There is one nearby KFC here. So after that, we just walk here. It's very near, like a 5 minutes walk. The other side, it's Khorfakkan Beach. Hi, Han. So it's like a mini Italy, right, Han? It looks like a Italy statue, no? Yeah. Init. It's a little bit hot. The structure of the place is like a mini Italy. Yeah, there, what I said, it's like a Khorfakkan Beach. That's it. Sobrang tirik ng araw kasi it's almost 3 o'clock, I think, in the afternoon. So here you can see the mountains. It's like a kind of rock formation. It's not like a typical mountain in Philippines, like a too many trees and you can see too many greeneries. Here's a formation of a rock. Khorfakkan Amphitheater. I think we can go inside. There is Isabella and Papa. This close? Oh, but I saw somebody is there. Silent. It's close. So they said it's close. You know, like this style is we can see only in the Greece, no? Han? Greece, Rome. Like this type of what do you call this one? Sorry?
Architecture.
Yeah. It's very nice. Sayang. It's not allowed to go inside. It looks nice. Yeah. Near to the amphitheater, here there is one like man-made falls. Let's see. There it is. Wow. Last time once we visited here, it is like a national day. So, too many people, too much rush. You see now it's weekdays but still people are there. But not like once it's weekend or holiday season. You cannot even take any pictures here. Wow. You can feel the mist of the water. What, hon?